All right, I'm replacing my hip battens. We're gonna go ahead and use our 2x2 EBS, or we can use a 1x2 and a 2x2. From outside to outside, they need to be placed 5 inches, and they need to be centered with my hip line and make sure they're straight so my cap stays straight. Then go ahead and finish your gutterizer around your perimeter. All right, when we get our fill panels in, I'm gonna be ready to measure my hips. We're going to go ahead and find a profile in the Pacific tile right there in that first groove. And then we'll measure into our 2x2. So we'll have 2 measurements. We're going to measure our bottom of the panel and also the top of the panel into that 2x2. Make sure I minus a 1/4 inch of off my measurement so I don't fight myself putting my panels in. Once I get that measurement, go ahead and write down both measurements on each panel. So as I go along, measure both, write down both, so on and so forth, keeping them in order from our eave to our ridge. We're ready to cut our hip pieces. We'll take our list that we got from the roof, find that same profile on the panel that we measured from on the roof, then go ahead and start your measurements. There'll be a measurement on top and on bottom. That will be my bend line, and we can take a 2x2 and create my cut line. Take it to the cutter. And we'll take it to the bender. Fold this up since it's a hip. And once I get all my measurements done for that pile, go ahead hand that up to the roof. It'll be in order from eave to ridge. Alright, so then once we get our cuts and bends on our hip panels, we'll have a pile just like so, going from our eave to our ridge. Go ahead and bring that up on the roof, and we can start installing as normal. Let's go ahead and place those. Get my fasteners into the front and the back shelf. And then grab my next panel out of my pile. Install as normal. And you'll be ready to install your mission cap.